Hey guys, welcome back to CorelDRAW X7 training. In this lecture we'll talk about this tool. You can see after the text, this is called parallel dimension tool, and another one is straight line connected tool. So this is used basically to create lines with dimensions. For example, if you draw a line, it will tell you the exact size of this line here. You can see, and you can then draw it like this, so you will know the size, the exact size in points, that what kind of a thing you are just going to draw in CorelDRAW. And the next tool, this one is basically for just creating this kind of lines. So you can create these lines whatever you want. You can change the size, or the size from here. So you can just create as much lines you want, and if you want absolutely straight line, you can use a shift option to create that. So basically these two tools, you can see parallel, this also has these two tools also have some other options inside them, but we are not gonna just discussing them, because you can use them because they are similar to the first tool that I'm telling you. And actually what I want in this course to teach you something practically while creating designs and projects and logos, so you will learn them more in the real projects. So the simple introduction I'm giving about these tools, that you guys know how to use them. So it's very simple. Now that's up to you what you create from them. But in the projects you will see more usage of specific tools, so you will come to know more about them. Now in this lecture I wanted to tell you just these two simple tools. Now in next lecture we'll talk about this drop shadow tool, and inside the drop shadow tool there are some other tools you can use for different purposes in CorelDRAW. So then we will move to all other tools and we'll complete this section.